Hello friends, welcome to OTICA Healthcare Private Limited. Today we are going to demonstrate an unboxing of ECG clamp electrodes or we can say electrocardiography electrodes. These are the limb electrodes made by OTICA. This is a very premium quality material. We are going to open this. You can see company has given the device with 4 different color of ECG clamps, where you can see the company has given this metallic reflectors, which is very much useful, long lasting, and it is having a very good quality reflection back, so it will long last and it will be grabbed to your hand properly. You can also adjust these reflections with standard, with medium strength, or with the tighten strength. So you can adjust the flexibility of the device. We usually keep it on a medium side, and you can use it according to your patient and according to your hospital. These ECG clamps are in 4 different colors, 2 for your arm and 2 for your legs. So these are the limb electrodes and widely useful for the electrocardiography. This is compatible with all kind of ECG cables, which is having 4 mm pin, or we can say banana pin. For example, we have taken just one ECG cable. This is a GE General Electric ECG cable. So this is going to fix on this device, you can see. So this ECG clamp electrodes are compatible with all types of ECG cable which have 4 mm banana pin or 4 mm pin. Thank you for watching.